Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Roku firmware, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and ensure it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Press the home button on your Roku remote to access the main menu screen. Step 3. Scroll down and select Settings from the menu options using your remote's navigation buttons. Step 4. In the Settings menu, select System to access system-related options and information. Step 5. Choose System Update from the list of available system options. Step 6. Select Check Now to manually check for available firmware updates. Roku typically updates automatically, but manual checks ensure you have the latest version. Step 7. If an update is available, your Roku will begin downloading it automatically. Do not power off or unplug your device during this process. Step 8. After the download completes, your Roku will install the update and restart automatically. This may take several minutes. Once it restarts, your firmware is updated to the latest version. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.